Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 17th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. And we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, this move up is definitely looking very impulsive. And if it does break structure, then we definitely know that this is a running flat and not a regular flat. I was forecasting it was going to go down to this area because that would be my target for a regular ABC correction, like a regular flat. But it definitely could be a running flat, meaning that it made a higher low, and just continues the uptrend from there. So unless we see a break of structure to the downside on shorter time frames at a Fibonacci level, we definitely still want to be bullish on the pound dollar. Now going down to the 1 hour time frame, it definitely made a pretty impulsive little move down today, but I would be a little bit cautious with assuming that this is over. I would want to see it to go down, and I would want to see some really nice breaks of structure to believe that this move up is over. So if it does go down and break these two main structures, then yeah, I definitely would, think at that point it probably would keep on going down. If it goes down and makes either a higher low or it breaks structure, but it almost instantly rejects structure, then it could just be another ABC pullback or another pullback within a higher time frame uptrend. I personally am definitely still looking for longs, and I'm still recommending longs unless price starts to become very impulsive and starts to break structure to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.